Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to deploy the ChatGPT Windows Desktop App via Windows Intune. So this one is fairly simple to deploy compared to deploying the Claude Desktop App. If you need those instructions, I'll have those linked in the video below. So let's jump in. So first off, you're going to log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And along the left hand side toward the bottom, you'll see Microsoft Intune. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see Microsoft Intune, there should be also a button to show more admin centers. Go ahead and click that and then it should list. If that doesn't work, I'll also have a link in the description that you can go directly to the admin center. Okay, so once you're there, you're going to go ahead and click on Apps and then drop down to Windows and then go ahead and click Create, and you're going to drop this down and select Microsoft Store New. Next, and here's where you can search the Microsoft Store app. You can either search for ChatGPT or OpenAI. I'll search for OpenAI here and select the ChatGPT app. Okay, and then it just loads the default information. Generally, you won't really change much of this, but that's up to you. The one thing I would highlight is, do you want to install this via on the system level or user level? Okay, once you're satisfied with that, click Next, and here's where you can select the install group. I'm just going to select all devices. If you're doing a test, I'd recommend piloting this to a test user group, and then Next and Create. Okay, go to Devices and then Windows, and find your device that you're deploying to and go ahead and hit sync. This will help speed up the check-in with the device and the installation of the app. I'm on the target device that we were pushing ChatGPT to, so you can see here if I click the start menu, you can see ChatGPT is already there, but to verify you can just go under Settings and then select Apps and then Installed Apps. And you'll see ChatGPT on the installed apps list. And let's go ahead and launch it just to verify it works. Yes, it does. So ChatGPT has been deployed via Intune. If you're having trouble with deployment, you can also jump into Windows EventViewer, and that's going to be, I'll put the path below. It's going to be Application and Service Logs, Microsoft Windows, and then AppXDeployment-Server, and then the logs beneath that. I would recommend starting there if you have access to a device that should have ChatGPT and it's not being deployed. Okay, well, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. It really does help. And as always, thanks for watching.